What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be covering the manipulation going on AMC and GameStop happening right in front of us. We're going to go over some technical analysis on both of the stocks, AMC and GameStop. If you do find value in live trading and live investing here in the stock market, we do go live every single day, Monday through Friday at Market Open and Power Hour. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and take action. Without further ado, let's hop right in, guys. The big news here, first and foremost, is the stimulus bill, which indeed did pass. It is supposed to be passed by Biden, which he is supposed to sign on Friday. I do expect the pump headed into Friday, and hopefully a massive green day that day that can help GameStop and AMC, which seem to be holding at fairly strong levels. I tend to remain optimistic. I tend to look at the positive, and the positive here is that we're closed above yesterday's levels. So we still do have that uptrend, even though we got manipulated midday again. We've been talking about these midday short attacks that happen at the same time every single day. And this not only happened around GameStop, but stocks that follow GameStop, like AMC, in and of itself. KOSS was another one that pulled back. As for GameStop, it's still holding around the 260 levels, still above 250, which happens to be the $half mark. But this isn't the first time this happened, guys. So a lot of stop losses were triggered. Keep in mind that first initial halt, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, was right around 302. Where do these people set their stop losses, guys? Whole numbers such as 300. That's why it's so easy for it to come down under really quick and yet again trigger another halt. And what happens when it triggers halts? It causes retail. It causes us to panic. People panic and they leave the ship. This causes more panic, which leads to more halts, and you get the deal. So the halts on the way down happen at the same price, which kind of makes me think a bit. Why at the same prices? So I know why. I held at 320 last time, the first initial drop we had here back in January. It fell all the way to 118. But the thing is, it immediately bounced back, and the next day we were up pre-market. So if history does repeat itself, guys, and it's in our favor, let's push up. Let's see a gap up back to 300 tomorrow. Again, futures, we're going to be dependent on how the overall market is, and hopefully that strength pushes up. It gives it an easier push for us to move forward on GameStop and AMC. Keep in mind, AMC has been following GameStop to the T basically on these candles. So that can also be a huge factor heading into tomorrow. And one of the biggest reasons why I think GameStop going to 1,000 is a struggle is because of this. They will not let us go. They won't let us easily win, guys. The first time we went to 500, GameStop was going to 1,000, 100% guaranteed. Robinhood came in and they shut it down. That was the first time around. Now it's going to be there's going to be more struggle, but the attention and the demand on GameStop at these prices here at 172 as it pulled back, I think is there, and I think people are here to buy the dip. So also one thing to watch out, the media manipulation convinces me that we are right on these trades. They were quick on these articles. Look at this. GameStop drops by 40% in 25 minutes. That was one of the many articles. We'll also go over the short interest and the short shares available. I do not believe any of this. This came out yesterday. This is from AMC showing 19%. I believe it was at 16%. And then GameStop at 52%, which I believe was at 60% before. For short shares available for AMC 5 hours ago, it's showing 1.6 million with the fee of 6.98, which has drastically dropped from the highs of 14. Again, nobody really knows the fees. S3 tweeted that new shorts were coming in at 20%. There's a big difference in that, so no one really knows. As for GameStop, 32 minutes ago, there's 250,000 short shares available according to Fintel, and with the fee of 1.90. So I don't believe any of the data that FINRA is showing us. I think these numbers are way off, so take these with a grain of salt. As for AMC, we came off the earnings call, so shout out to all of you guys who hopped on and shared that experience with us. But the earnings, as we've talked about, they came in better than expected, not as bad as we thought. Adam Aaron, on another factor, we talked about this before the earnings call, is I thought they were going to stress the fact that they had capital and the debt, and they did. They kept mentioning it. They left the earnings call. The earnings call ended with that exact same point. The capital raise, 1.1 billion, how they could literally last 2021 without selling a ticket and they could still be in business, and that the debt was paid off. So that is a huge key coming in for new investors on this year. 2021 is the year for AMC. They are looking for stocks to buy that are going to rebound off this pandemic. They talked about the vaccination, how we hear record numbers, the distribution, and all that. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's my analysis. That's my take. Tomorrow, let's pull up some analysis on AMC really quick. What can we expect technically? Of course, it's going to follow GameStop. So on its uptrend, literally both of the stocks, guys, GameStop and AMC have hit my price targets. GameStop yesterday, a couple videos ago, we said my price target was 300. We blew past that. As a matter of fact, I don't think AMC has hit my price target. Actually, my price target is literally $14. So we're so close there. but we still have this 4-hour momentum. And I think 2021, like I said, is the year for AMC. And to me, this seems like a very good deal at this price. So with that being said, guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow bright and early for another volatile trading day. Take care, everybody.